Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to download and install the latest version of Java JDK onto your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Before we get into it, please throw me a like and subscribe if this video helps you out. Alright, let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is go onto google.com and look up JDK download. After that, you're going to go ahead and click search, and you're going to see the first option here, which is from oracle.com. You're going to click on it, and it's going to bring you to oracle.com, their official website, and make sure that you're on the correct link. Now, after here, what you want to do is you want to either select JDK 23 or JDK 21. Now, if you have previous versions of Java JDK, make sure that you uninstall them before installing the latest version to avoid any issues. Now, we're going to have the JDK 24 coming out soon, but for now, JDK 23 is the latest. Now, next you want to go ahead and select Windows because we're on Windows. And you have a couple options. You can go ahead and download the compressed archived version, or you're going to do the installer. For us, we're going to go ahead and download the installer. Go ahead and download it into a folder and click save. Depending on how fast your internet is, that's how long it will take you to download. Alright, so after downloading it, what you want to do is open up the file, and it's going to be called JDK23_Windows x64. You're going to go ahead and right click it and run as administrator. This is to give you accelerated privileges on your computer to avoid any issues during installation. And then click yes. Go ahead and click next. If you need to change the storage location, you can go ahead and click store or change. Otherwise, just click next. Depending on your computer, this may take a couple seconds to a couple minutes. Okay. After here, you can either click next step to access any tutorials or any documentation. Otherwise, all you need to do is click close. To make sure JDK is fully installed, it is recommended that you go ahead and restart your computer. If this video helped you out, please go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. If you have any questions or need extra help, please go ahead and throw a comment in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Take care.